Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I've been making these party bags for my son's birthday party. I've bought some Lego sets which were on offer in a local supermarket, and that's what I'm going to be using to fill the party bags. I've made 3 designs so far. I'm going to make each bag a different character, so there's going to be a few more to make. The bag itself is made from an A4 piece of paper, folded and glued. And then we have some different colour paper and card and sharpies, obviously, to make the designs on the front. The ribbons I've used are just from a box of ribbons I had. They're all different colours, different widths, different lengths. But I think that makes every bag a little bit unique and different. So, let's get started. Okay, so to make the bag, I'm going to be using this paper. The actual bag is going to be blue that I'm using today, but this piece I have is 2 different colours, which makes it a lot easier to show you how I'm making it. And take the piece of paper and fold it over so that it's nearly at the edge. And make a crease. Then this edge, this paper is quite thin, so it's not the easiest. The A4 colour paper is much easier to work with and to pick up, but not very easy to see. So fold over that edge, make a crease. And put some glue on here. This will be on the inside. So this piece of paper is a little bit ragged here, but it's not going to matter because you're not going to see it. But I'm also not using this bag anyway. I'll probably leave it on my husband's desk and he can make use of it on Mother's Day or something. Okay, so I've glued that together. We've got the start of the bag. We just need to make the bottom now. So for the bottom, I use this ruler just to make them all sort of uniform in size. Fold that over. This piece, open it up. The sides you want to push down so the line matches up. And make the creases. And do the same the other side. Right. And take this piece and fold it just past the centre line. Now this is the bit on the other video I tried to make with the blue paper, but you couldn't actually see what I was doing, so it made it very difficult to explain. So with this one, with the white and the orangey colour, it's much easier. Now the other side, you can fold that down so it's just past the centre line as well. There we go. And then we're just gonna put some glue on. I'm gonna put a bit of glue just on this corner here, and on the same the other side. And stick them down, and then just on the edge of the first flap and on the same two corners of the second one. I'll stick them down. So that's the bottom bag made. We just need to make the sides. So if you can see here, you're left with like a square shape, or a diamond, I suppose. Turn it over and fold up along the 2 points of the diamond and fold that all the way up. And do the same the other side. Open the bag, and these two sides that you've just folded, and try and push them in. And then the bottom bit gets kind of flattened. And then we'll do the same on the side. It's a shame this paper is so thin because it's a really, really nice colour. But it's not very easy to make a bag with. But hopefully it's a bit easier to see. There we go. So that's the bag made. And so this is the one we're actually using today. And the character I'm going to be making is this guy. He is, according to my 6-year-old, from a game called Work at a Pizza Place. Apparently it's a game where you make pizzas, pack them in boxes and deliver them to customers and take orders. But I've stolen this figure from his bedroom today. Sorry, monster, I'll make sure it's back by the time you get home from school. I'm going to just make the top half and put it on the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see the pencil. I'm just going to roughly draw out his face. And his eyes. Almost done. One pizza delivery dude party bag. So he can sit up on the shelf with the rest of them while I make some more designs. And return the figure to the bedroom before he gets home. And here we have the finished Roblox party bags. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more party crafts. Thanks for watching.